guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with my Eva Longoria hair from Hairvivi. This wig is still on and popping. I just wanted to come to you guys and give you a little update. In this video, I'm talking through the whole thing. It's just me curling my hair. So I just want to give a little update, say how the hair has been going. And yeah, let's just get into the video. I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. You really liked my other videos on this hair. I think the Hairvivi review is at like 5,000 something views right now, and that's a lot for my recent videos. So yeah, if you're feeling this vibe and you want to see how I got it, keep on watching and please ignore the background because my room is a little bit messy right now. Okay, bye. Alright, so I've had this Hairvivi hair for some time now, and I know you guys really seem to enjoy that video. So I'm just going to show you guys how I've been styling it. It's in like sort of a side part right now. So I'm just going to show y'all how I curl it, what I do to get some nice loose waves. It really doesn't even take long. The hair is holding up fine. The only complaint that I had about this hair that I think I mentioned in the other videos, if I did not, I'm going to list them now. The only thing is that the hair color that's on the website isn't the same hair color that I received. Even though I really like the color, it's just not what was advertised. So you have to be a little careful. It's similar, but the color that was on the website was showing up more as like a three-tone ombre instead of just like the dark and then the brown. So it went from brown to more of a blonde at the bottom, but I think this color actually like suits me better than the color that it was supposed to be. So that worked out in my favor. But if you were actually looking forward to the color that was in that picture on their website, you might be a little bit disappointed with this wig. I don't think I mentioned that in my other video, and some people brought it up in the comments that it doesn't look like the picture, and that's true. It's 100% facts. It doesn't look like the picture. It's similar to the picture, but it doesn't look exactly like it. So if that's not something that bothers you, then don't get this wig. The other thing is that the wig was really thin, and I did talk about this. I said that the wig was thin, and I don't know, I just prefer thicker hair, so it did start to bother me a little bit that it wasn't as thick as I wanted. So I actually went ahead and added an extra bundle of hair that I brought from somewhere else on Amazon, just like some ombre bundles. And you literally can't even tell that I added another pack of hair from another company into my head. So the ombre that I got off of Amazon is actually really good. I don't think you guys can tell. Like, you literally can't tell. But, like, that's a piece of the bundle that I added. Like, you see how it's a little bit more blonde? But when it's all together, you can't really tell. So I think that was a good choice. I got the bundle for really cheap on Amazon. Like, I swear I paid maybe like 40 bucks for the bundle. And it's really soft. It doesn't tangle up with this hair. Because sometimes when you mix hair textures from different companies and put them on a wig, you'll start to get some tangling. I don't get that. So that means that the hair that I got on Amazon was really good. So I can't remember the exact company. If I can remember, I will link it down below. But I was trying to find it before so that I could do a video about it, and I couldn't find it. So nonetheless, Hairvivi wigs are a little bit thin. Well, mine is. So I think I went with the 150% density. So if there's wigs that are more dense than that and you like thick hair, go for the thicker density. And all in all, I do think it was worth the price. Like, you know, I didn't have to spend the time and labor to make the wig, which is the biggest thing. So the little tweaks that I had to make to it to make it suit my liking, I guess, just aren't that big of a deal to me, but they may be a big deal to you if you plan on buying from them. But the general consensus is that they make really good quality wigs. Like, everybody that you ever see post, you can literally wear the wigs out the box, and you don't get that from a lot of these other companies. You you have to pluck the part, you have to do like all this nonsense to it. And I didn't have to do that kind of stuff really. So I'm just thankful that, you know, the hair is low maintenance and I don't have to worry about anything. So yeah, I know you guys really like this hair, so I wanted to kind of give you a video talking about it, because I know you guys really liked this company. I don't generally like how the curls come out when you use a barrel. I don't know, just kind of is too Shirley Temple for me. Too Shirley Temple for my liking. So, yeah. So I'm just going in and curling random pieces. I don't plan on curling my whole head, but sometimes I end up doing so. So I kind of just go with the flow of how it looks. I want to do more videos like this one. It's just that my filming setup is kind of trash. Like this area right here is my vanity. This is actually where I sit and do my hair and makeup all the time. But I don't know. I just don't like this angle. I feel like the lighting is only good if I record during the day. And of course, I usually record at nighttime because I work during the day. I just happen to be off today. So if the sun wasn't out, you wouldn't be able to see me, which sucks because I need to be able to record at whatever time I feel inspired to record. And that's why I always record over there in my bed, because I have a really bright lamp where I can like maneuver the light bulbs to face me and work as a ring light. And that's how I usually do my videos. But that lamp doesn't reach over here and it like won't fit behind my vanity, because right there, like behind the camera where you guys are, is a window, like a wall and a window. So there's nowhere for that lamp to really go. So yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. I never got to show you guys the hairline because I never really glued down my hairline, but look how bomb it looks today. I used some Gorilla Snot. This is what I use to keep my frontal on. As you can see, it's not going anywhere unless I sweat. Truth be told about frontals, if you sweat, that thing is coming off. And this side, I didn't attach it because it's not showing. And there's combs on this side of the wig, so if the wind blows, you will see this, but I'm not going outside today. Most of the time, I don't actually glue it down. I just plop it on because I can't be bothered. So what else? Trying to think of what else I could tell you guys. I just wanted you guys to see the hair again so that you know that the hair is still bomb and it's lasted all this time, so I can give the stamp of approval on it and say that you are free to buy hair from this company. Nothing bad has happened. It didn't get bad on me. It didn't go to crap. It has stayed nice, and that's good, because some companies really fall apart after like the first couple months. No shade to big YouTubers and people who like work with companies and get sent a lot of hair, but you can't give me anything other than a first impression, because you don't wear the same hair all the time. You have so many different wigs. You're not putting the same amount of wear and tear as someone who spends their own money on hair. Like, you're just not. If you change your wig and put a different wig on every day, how can you really truly say that a product is good if you haven't worn it for, say, 4 weeks or a month or 2 months even? Like, you can't really give a full opinion. It's literally the first impression, like how the hair comes out the box, what the wig looks like when you first put it on, blah, 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 blah. But as far as like an in-depth, how does the hair perform? Does it tangle? Does it shed? Does it last? What products work in it? What products don't work? You won't be able to tell us that as a consumer if you're not wearing the hair for extended periods of time. It's not necessarily that they're lying to you. It's just that they work with things that they've only been using for short periods of time a lot of the time, because, you know, they get sent a lot of hair. They have to keep cranking out the videos. So how can they really, you know for real if the product is good or not? Fresh bundles are always bomb. Pretty much even beauty supply store hair is bomb when you first get it. So it's like, what is that doing for me as a person who wants to buy this product? It's not really doing much. This is pretty much where I'm going to leave my hair at. I think I'm satisfied for now. I just did some loose, big curls all around just to give it some body, because I think I might have mentioned this before, but I don't like this hair straight. It doesn't fancy me. I really don't enjoy it straight. I think it looks too flat to my head, straight hair in general, so I don't really wear my wigs straight. Let me know if you don't mind this camera quality, because I can't use my back camera if I'm recording in this area because there's no monitor for me to be able to see myself. So if I were to flip the camera to the back camera, I can't see if I'm in focus. So I'm using the front camera right now, and everybody knows that the front camera is basura. But let me just show y'all what it would look like if I used the back camera. So right now I have no visual on if I'm in the middle of the camera or not. I can't really see if I'm in focus, and I also can't see the mirror that is right behind the camera that I use to style my hair. Just wanted to show y'all. That's why I'm not using the back camera. But hey, this is the setup. There's a mirror right here. That's why you guys can see me. But yeah, this is why I don't use the back camera when I film at this location. But yeah, here's the hair curled. Let me know what you guys want to see next. If you want to see how I actually apply my wigs, like put them onto my head, let me know in the comments down below, and I hope you guys enjoy.